So I've been seeing a lot of videos about this ELeaf Istick TC200W, about the trap door on the bottom, the battery door. It's been saying to solder little pieces down here, and I just thought that was a little bit too complicated. So what I did, I just came over here. I got a brazing rod, because a brazing rod is kind of square in a way, and I just snipped a little piece off with the some wire cutters there, and it fits perfectly in that left side. So these are the prongs that they want you to solder. Well, I didn't want to solder it for fear of harming my vape, so I just cut a little piece off a brazing rod with some wire cutters, stuck it in there. It fit perfectly. You know, it in the smaller side. The wider side, in my case, wasn't acting funny, but I stuck it in the smaller side, and it fits perfectly. You know, it doesn't move, it doesn't wiggle. The plastic is holding it in there. You know, I was able to close it back up, and it would read my battery just fine. So I just hope this helps someone. You know, instead of having to braze or solder it on, you can just cut a little piece off of a brazing rod, stick it in there, it'll work just fine. Alright, bye.